Well, I just had to video this. It's a 1957 Chris Craft 19-foot wood boat, Capri model, and it is just gorgeous in terms of the level to which it's been restored. I can't imagine all the hours required to get it in this shape. Beautiful upholstery, the padded dash there, and the instruments. Happens to be for sale too. This is a this is at Vero Beach, and this very impressive boat. Restoration was done in Washington State, and you're going to see the engine compartment as much as we can see of it. It's a 6-cylinder Chris Craft engine. And here's the engine hatch. Check out the motor. There it is. Beautiful. And it's on a very nice trailer too. Chris Craft was certainly a star in the boat business.